Oh, hey, I was just doing a little sweeping around the shop, doing some spring cleaning. Got me thinking, is spring cleaning, why is it a thing? Is it actually a thing? So I got doing a little research and come to find out spring cleaning is a thing. So back in the days when homes were heated with coal-fired heating apparatuses, you'd actually have to go through the house and clean all the soot from the coal burning in the house. So spring cleaning actually is a thing. When we think about spring cleaning, we don't necessarily think about our electrical systems and what you should do, what kind of maintenance you should do when springtime rolls around. So we're going to get into that in this video here in a second. Okay, like I said, turns out spring cleaning is a thing. And another reason spring cleaning is a thing in some cultures, like it's a time of rejuvenation, resetting, and preparation for the upcoming months. So like getting ready for Passover or the Lunar New Year, right? But I look at spring cleaning as a time to take care of your most valuable assets, like your home. So I actually got a tractor out yesterday, and I put air in the tires. It's been sitting all winter, and so that's a big asset of mine, and check the oil on it. But let's think about our home's electrical system, right? Some people don't think about their home's electrical system when it comes to annual maintenance and safety. But spring is the perfect time to get a jump on doing a 32-point maintenance and safety inspection by becoming a good neighbor club with Arnold Electric. So when you sign up to be a good neighbor club member of Arnold Electric, we're your electricians. And like I said, we're going to come out one time for you for signing up for that club throughout the year to do that maintenance and safety inspection. And what a maintenance and safety inspection does is this goes through 32 of the main features of your home's electrical system. We're identifying any issues that are part swap opposed to a repair, right? So changing an outlet that's burnt up at the outlet box is a part swap, where if you let that issue go too long, the wires in the wall start burning up, and then we're repairing that entire circuit. We're repairing the wire between one outlet and another. Okay, so kind of getting back to the meat of the topic here is spring cleaning and our annual maintenance and safety inspection. So we're going to go over your outlets, we're going to go over your panel, we're going to go over your meter, we're going to identify any light bulbs that are improperly sized in any of the fixtures. And we become your electrician now. Like I said, we're going to send a licensed electrician out once a year to do this for you in your home. So as you're sweeping and mopping around the house, doing your spring cleaning, don't forget to show your electrical system some love and make sure that that's maintained and up to par so you can enjoy the rest of the summer. And lastly, if you're taking a break from your spring cleaning, check us out at arnoldelectric.com.